I have an eyelash growing into my eye.
Eyelashes do weird things. Let's talk about it. The most common eyelash malposition is called trichiasis. It's where the eyelash is just growing in the wrong direction. It can be one eyelash, it can be a bunch of eyelashes. Another weird eyelash thing is called matarosis, where you lose eyelashes. Then there's distichiasis, where you have like an extra row of eyelashes right there. Just another extra row. You might think, oh, that's kind of cool. Like sharks have extra rows of teeth. It's not as cool as a shark. They just get in the way. And there's lots of reasons why eyelashes might do these strange things. Chemotherapy is one of them. Chemotherapy can cause all of those things I just mentioned. And it can be a big problem with all these lashes pointing in all these different directions because they can start rubbing up against the surface of the eye. In particular, the cornea, which has the highest density of nerve endings in the entire body. It hurts. It constantly feels like you have something in your eye because you do. It's an eyelash. Okay, so what do we do about it? The easiest thing to do is called epilation, which is a fancy word for plucking the eyelash. And that's usually a temporary solution because after a couple months, the eyelash will grow back and it might be in the same position. It might not, but it probably will be, and you're going to have to pluck it again like every few months. A more permanent solution is electrocautery. You take a little probe and you put it right in the hair follicle and you zap it and the hair follicle is destroyed and so the hair can't grow back. One more annoying thing that eyelashes can do is because they fall out, just like strands of your hair will fall out, your eyelashes can fall out. They don't get stuck behind the eye. I know everybody's worried about that. Like you don't have just hundreds of eyelashes somewhere stuck behind your eye. They can get stuck in your lacrimal punctum, which is the opening where your tears drain, right on the inside corner of your eye. And so what can happen is the eyelash, it gets in your tears and it starts moving toward that opening and just gets lodged in there. And it can get stuck and start rubbing up against the eye, making you feel irritation. It's an easy thing to fix. You just pull that out. Chances are another eyelash is not going to get stuck in there for quite some time, and then you're good. There you go. That's probably everything you ever wanted to know about eyelashes, except the mites.